Hurricane Erin don grow strong reach Category 4 level and e dey bring dangerous surf and rip currents wey fit worry di eastern coast of United States. Rain from di storm don already dey fall for southeast Bahamas and Turks and Caicos Island, wey don even issue tropical storm warning. Erin no go land for di islands, but dem fit see rain reach 6 inches (about 15 cm). Dis Erin na di first hurricane for 2025 Atlantic season. E don first blast reach Category 5 on Saturday before e calm small, but now e don regain power again. For Puerto Rico, more than 150,000 pipo lose light as strong wind scatter electricity poles, but di energy company LUMA don do emergency repair wey restore light give 95% of customers. US National Hurricane Center (NHC) tok say Erin go pass east of southeast Bahamas today, den e go move go between Bermuda and US East Coast by midweek. Dem still warn say di storm go remain large and dangerous through dis period.